Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is how to select steam cycle with the LG washing machine. This is 17 kg and 17 kg washer and 9 kg dry machine. This machine is actually it's very nice machine in UAE. It's very demand. This machine it is lifetime also very long. This customer using almost 10 years without any problem. Now I'm going to show you how to select steam cycle and how it's work, what kind of benefits we are getting while we are selecting steam cycle, and I will show you how to select the steam cycle with this machine. We will go to the next step. Now I given power connection. First of all, I will show you how to select the steam cycle with this machine. This one actually I will give the power connection first. After that you can see here this cycle. I will shut down the machine again. This cycle, this machine having with the selector switch, this line all together is coming, it is black color. It is all the options are connect with the black color circle. Here also it is circle, here it's connecting with the red color. You can see here this is red color. This cycle is already written here steam cycle. You can see here it is steam cycle. The options are below: cotton, cotton eco, easy care and duet, allergy care and refresh. Here also one cycle is sportswear. That one also we can select steam cycle, but I'm giving power connection now. When you select here the black color, I think I will show you. Now for example, I select here wool. This is the steam cycle selector button. While I am pressing, we are not able to select steam cycle with this wool. Also quick wash also same. That means without wash, rinse plus spin. Also not this one wash and dry. Also we are not able to select, only dry only. Also we are not able to select. Now I will turn it anti-clockwise the left side. Now it came already sport wear. Now you can see we can select manually steam cycle with the sport wear. Also the second one, this is cotton option. Cotton option also we can select steam cycle. Also cotton eco also we can select steam cycle, and easy care also select, we can select cotton option, steam cycle. Also duet also we can select steam cycle, but we have to select this cycle automatically not coming. This cycle, when you select any option with this cycle, we have to select manually steam cycle. Now this one already written here red color, allergy care and refresh. While you selecting these two options, it's automatically it will come here like that. I will show you again. I'm selecting now allergy care. It's automatically it will come steam cycle. Also refresh cycle also automatically it will come steam cycle. You know, while we are selecting steam cycle with this machine, we are getting so many benefits. Actually I will explain to you. Now the refresh cycle, actually no wash, nothing, no rings, spin, only the refresh cycle. It is end of the cycle we can select refresh, because the wrinkles everything will go with the steam cycle. Steam cycle, everybody know the water is with the steam generator, water getting boiling point, increasing boiling, that's mean 100 degree Celsius water becoming boiling, at the same time only generating steam. I will show you. I will remove the top cover here. I already removed the top cover, and this is the steam generator. Here supplying water through this inlet valve. This one red color, it already red color wall, it will go to the steam generator cycle. Here power connection, also thermistor, having thermistor, it's not going more than 100, it's 100 coming at the same time through the thermistor, this power cut-offing. This is the generator, steam generator. After generating steam through this pipe, you can see here, through this pipe it will go to the gasket. Here is connecting with the gasket. You can see this is the steam generator pipe. Is after making, while making steam, it's coming through this pipe and go to the tub. It is entering with the gasket. Here you can see from the down. This is the way steam coming to the machine. From here you can see while we are selecting, after selecting a steam cycle, we can get so many benefits. The main thing is stain, very easy to remove stain. Also fabric care, gentle fabric care. It's the main thing. When you select steam cycle, wrinkle reduction only we are getting. Also allergy sanitization, also energy efficiency, like that. So many benefits we can get after selecting a steam cycle. The main thing actually, the wrinkles are not making with any fabric, because of the steam cycle. Now I think you know how to select steam cycle, how it's work. I think so many customers they are asking from us how to select, how it's working. Like that question they are asking from us. Because of that, I'm making this video. Now I think you know how to select, what kind of benefits we are getting after selecting steam cycle. And now I select already refresh cycle. It is showing 25 minutes. Now when you select the refresh cycle, especially this cycle, end of the cycle you have to select. That means you wash 17 kilo or less than that. After ending program, you can select this refresh cycle. At the same time, heater also it will start, and also blower, also generator. The generator is becoming boiling point. At the same time, it will make vapor, that's mean steam. At the same time, coming through the gasket into the drum. At the same time, heater also working. That's mean blower also at the same time working. The heat and steam together, all the your fabric, it will remove all the wrinkles. After that, you can very easy to iron your fabric. I think you know, you got the point. You know how to select, what kind of benefits we are getting while selecting steam cycle. And thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.